Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Every garden deserves a show-stopping spectacle, and nothing rivals the breathtaking beauty of the rainbow shower, Cassia nealiae tree in full bloom. If you've ever dreamed of a tree that paints your yard with pastel pink, sunny yellow, and glowing peach blossoms all at once, the rainbow shower, Cassia nealiae, is your dream come true. Native to Hawaii, this hybrid between Cassia fistula and Cassia javanica is celebrated for its magnificent floral display that feels like spring exploded in your backyard. Its blooms cascade like colorful rain, making it a favorite among homeowners across warm regions of the USA, from Florida to California. Growing a rainbow shower tree might sound exotic, but the process is straightforward once you understand its tropical nature. This stunning ornamental thrives in sunshine, well-drained soil, and occasional love through pruning and watering. Let's explore how you can bring this tropical masterpiece to life in your garden. Start by choosing a sunny spot. Rainbow shower loves full sunlight for at least 6 hours daily. The more sun, the more intense its floral explosion. The soil should be rich yet free-draining. Sandy loam with compost is ideal. If your soil holds too much water, add perlite or sand to improve drainage. Planting should ideally be done in spring or early summer, when the soil is warm and roots establish quickly. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball, ensuring the base sits slightly above ground level to prevent waterlogging. Water deeply right after planting, and then maintain moderate watering until the plant stabilizes. Once established, rainbow shower trees are surprisingly drought tolerant, though consistent watering will boost their growth and flowering intensity. In hotter climates, a weekly deep soak works best, encouraging roots to spread deep into the ground. When it comes to fertilizing, use a balanced slow-release fertilizer, 10-10-10, every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season. Organic compost or liquid seaweed solution can enhance leaf gloss and flower brilliance. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much nitrogen can lead to lush foliage but fewer blooms. One of the charms of rainbow shower is its low maintenance. Prune lightly after flowering to shape the canopy and remove weak or dead branches. This also encourages more robust blooming next season. Pests are minimal, but occasionally you might notice aphids or scale insects. These can be handled with neem oil or a mild insecticidal soap spray. Maintaining air circulation around the tree by avoiding overcrowding helps prevent fungal issues. If you live in a region where winters dip below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, consider growing rainbow shower in a large container so it can be sheltered indoors during cold months. While the tree thrives outdoors in USDA zones 10 to 11, container growing allows gardeners across the southern USA to enjoy its tropical glamour. The tree grows moderately fast, reaching 25 to 40 feet in height. As it matures, it forms a spreading canopy filled with gracefully arching branches. When the blossoms fall, they carpet the ground in a watercolor mosaic of yellows and pinks, a natural artwork every gardener loves. To keep blooms thriving, ensure proper watering consistency. Underwatering causes premature bud drop, while overwatering can suffocate the roots. Mulching with bark or coconut husk around the base will conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Propagation of rainbow shower can be done by seeds or semi-hardwood cuttings. Seeds may require scarification, lightly scratching or soaking in warm water to germinate effectively. Once the seedlings are a few inches tall, Transplant them carefully into their permanent spots. As your tree matures, it will reward you with unmatched floral displays each summer, attracting hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies in abundance. Watching them flutter among the petals adds another layer of life and magic to your garden. The rainbow shower, Cassia x nealiae, isn't just a plant, it's a living festival of color. Its presence transforms streets, yards, and parks into tropical wonderlands. For beginners, it's a forgiving and resilient choice that offers beauty, fragrance, and a low-maintenance gardening experience all at once. So whether you're a plant parent in California's warmth, Florida's humidity, or Texas's sunshine, Rainbow Shower will easily adapt and flourish with a little care and consistency. Nurture it, admire it, and let your outdoor space bloom with joy year after year. Because this spectacular tree truly lives up to its name, showering your world in radiant color. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub, where beauty blossoms naturally. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more expert plant guides, seasonal care tips, and garden inspiration.